Welcome back, friends, to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily remove your gel. So I'm starting off by removing the top coat of the gel, and I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of all of the nails. You want to make sure that when you're doing this, you're being gentle and not overdoing it, because you don't want to go ahead and file off your actual nail, right? So that's a good thing about using the nail filer, because you can easily control it. With the drill, you can control it as well, but I find that you can easily damage your nails with the drill.
You know what? I finally figured it out. You know what loving you was like? Loving you was like fire, 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 click, click, fire, 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 fire. I've been going out like a bad bitch. I've been looking for through the madness. I can't find a nigga who can handle. I can't find nobody that can manage. But then I found you, can we go? It's whatever you want. Can you move it on the floor? It's whatever you want. Can we bring it to the bar? It's whatever you want. Can we do it on the track? It's whatever you want. Baby, hold me down. I got feelings for you now. Where you love me, where it hurts. We can talk, just stick around. So got more to say. You know it's just game, girl. You know how it goes. I don't wanna play. The feeling's too strong now. I really gotta go. I've been in the streets. In the streets, take me off the streets. In the streets, take me off the streets. In the streets, take me off the streets. I've been in the streets. I'm in the streets. In the streets, I've been in the streets. I've been in the streets. I got everything I could ask for. I got all the cars, the clothes, the hoes. I could put a minute on the dashboard. Trying to find love, the niggas be doing.
So after filing everything off, I'm going to go ahead and brush off the dust. And now we're ready to go ahead and cover it with our acetone. So before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil around the skin of my nails. That way it's not dry when we use the acetone.
Is it you? Can we go? It's whatever you want. Can we move it on the floor? It's whatever you want. Can we bring it to the back? It's whatever you want. Can we do it on the track? It's whatever you want. Baby, hold me down. I got feelings for you now. Where you love me, where it hurts. We can talk, just stick around.
So now I just went ahead and dipped the cotton part of the foil into the acetone, and I'm making sure that that part is staying on my actual nail bed, and then I'm wrapping it around. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of the nails. You want to make sure that you put enough acetone so that it can absorb the nails and it doesn't take long for it to dissolve. So after covering everything up with acetone, you want to go ahead and wait for 15 minutes before you go ahead and scrape off the gel. So you just want to be patient with it and wait till that 15-minute, or even beyond that 15-minute, and then you can go ahead and start scraping off the gel. So this is after 15 minutes. This is what it looks like, and you see how it's dissolved most of the gel. Yeah, so you want to make sure that you're waiting after that 15-minute. Otherwise, you're going to be wasting time filing and putting the acetone on, filing and putting the acetone on. So you just want to make sure that when you do it the first round, you wait enough time and then you go ahead and scrape off the gel. So see how here it's easily coming off, and I'm not even overdoing it with the pusher. So here again, you gently just push off what is coming off. If anything is not coming off, you would go ahead and then file it a bit and then repeat the process.
You know it's just game, girl. You know how it goes. The feeling's too strong now. I really gotta go. I'm in the streets. In the streets, take me off the streets. In the streets, take me off the streets. In the streets, take me off the streets. I've been in the streets. You know it's right. Stop when I move, I like. finally figured it out. You know what loving you was like? Loving you was like fire, 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 click, click, fire, 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 fire. I've been going out like a bad bitch. I've been looking for through the madness. I can't find a nigga who can handle. I can't find nobody that can manage. But then I found you, can we go? It's whatever you want. Can you move it on the floor? It's whatever you want. Can we bring it to the back? It's whatever you want. Can we do it on the track? It's whatever you want. Baby, hold me down.
After taking the gel off, now I'm going ahead and gently buffing all of my nails and just making sure that I was able to get everything off. So here I'm doing it gently as well. You don't want to over scrape your nails. After buffing as well, this is where I go ahead and wash my hands. And then now we're ready to moisturize our cuticles and our hand. So here I'm going ahead and using the Model 1's cuticle oil and just making sure that it's I'm applying it all over my nail beds and the skin around my nail as well. And then I'm going ahead and using the Naked Bee body butter, I believe, and just using that to moisturize my nails. Thanks guys for watching my video, and please comment down what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I got feelings for you.